So Maya Kowalski's mother sought out ketamine treatments for her daughter, believing they could be a treatment for a very rare disorder that her daughter had. It's called complex regional pain syndrome. But today in Venice, an expert testified for the defense, saying those ketamine doses were way too high and did not fit the standard of care. That was one reason why staff at Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital called the state child abuse hotline. That would eventually result in Maya being kept in state care and then her mom dying by suicide after being separated from her daughter for 87 days, nearly 3 months. Fox 13's Kimberly Quizon now has more on what that witness also told the jury today.
When Maya Kowalski was rushed to Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital in October of 2016, doctors learned she had been on high doses of ketamine to treat complex regional pain syndrome.
It wasn't successful in the sense that any benefit that she realized was not sustained over a significant period of time. So within 4 or 5 or 6 weeks, she was reporting an increase in pain.
Dr. Elliot Krane with Stanford Medicine is an expert on pain management and CRPS. He never met with Maya or examined her, but went over thousands of documents related to the case.
Her weight had fallen. She was not on her growth curve. Not only had she stopped gaining weight as children do as they grow, she started losing weight.
Dr. Krane told jurors a St. Petersburg doctor was prescribing Maya more than 10 times the amount of ketamine she should have received. He believed it resulted in the stomach pain that brought her to the hospital.
I think at that point in October, he could not bring himself to give her more ketamine. He knew that the ketamine dose that he was giving was so high, he just couldn't imagine giving more. And at that point, he bailed out.
Dr. Krane says Maya would have become dependent on the drug and could have been experiencing withdrawal symptoms while at the hospital. Staff testified to Maya cursing at them and asking for her sedation.
They're anxious, sometimes begging for the ketamine. They feel pain because it's all the opposite of what ketamine does.
Lawyers for the Kowalski family pressed Dr. Krane, asking if any of Maya's doctors had ever lost a patient to ketamine treatments.
I can't say that she came to no harm. She did come to harm.
In Venice, Kimberly Quizon, Fox 13 News.
Now, the defense will continue calling witnesses tomorrow. Later this week, it's believed Dr. Sally Smith will testify, and Dr. Smith was the head of Child Protective Team for Pinellas County at the time.